Hello, in this video, we will introduce generating random numbers. We're going to use random numbers along with Boolean expressions to write an interesting program. To generate random numbers, you can use this randint function to generate random numbers. So let's look at this randint here. This function, randint, generates a random integer between a and b inclusively. To obtain a random integer between 0 and 9, you can use randint 0, 9. We're going to write a program that generates two random single integers, and then ask the user the question, what is the addition of these two integers? Based on the user's answer, we're going to report it, whether the answer is correct or not. So this is the program. Let's see the animation of the program.
The statement imports the random module.
The randint function is defined in the random module. So we import it, and then we invoke it using randint0,9, generating a single digit between 0 and 9 inclusive.
Check your understanding. Note that in all code animation, you can use mouse or finger to move highlight, explanation, output, and check your understanding box freely. What will be a possible integer for number 1 after this statement is executed? Enter the smallest possible integer, a space, and the largest possible integer.
That's between 0 and 9.
You are correct. Number 1 is a random integer between 0 and 9. In this sample run, the random integer is 3. The statement generates a random number 3 and assigns it to variable number 1.
Now, number 1 points to this object, integer 3.
The statement generates a random number 9 and assigns it to variable number 2.
Now,
the statement prompts an input from the user.
Here's the question. So what is 3 plus 9? The correct answer is 12. So let's put 12 here.
The statement receives the input 12 from the user.
Now we're going to display the result.
The statement displays the result.
The result is this. 3 plus 9 is 12 is true. So this is 3 plus 9 equals 12 is true. So how do you get this true? Is right here. Number 1 plus number 2 equals answer. The answer is 12. So that is true. Now please note that this is the function. String is to convert a number into a string. Look at this live example. You can now fill in the code. So this is to import random, and now you can random use the function in the random. So this is randint. And right here is to display the result. So how do you display this result, true or false? This is number 1 plus number 2 equals answer. So please, this is the operator to test if those two sides are the same. So if you use this, that it is wrong. Now, there are a couple more functions you can use regarding to generating random numbers. So we use the randint. You can also use rand range for generating a random integer between a and a minus 1 inclusively. So this is rand AB. And you can also use rand B, and this is same as rand range 0B. Rand range 0AB is also equivalent to rand int AB minus 1. Another function we can use is random function, which generates a random floating point number R such that this R is less than 1.0, greater than or equal to 0.0. So here's the example. So import random dot random, it is this, random dot random is this. You see, this is a random number. That is all for generating random numbers and using the Boolean expression to write a program. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.